the beauty, value, and benefit of a diamond when making your hair fuller. Here's what I mean. It's very difficult to see, but if you can see this, the Micro Strand, this is for making your hair fuller while using your hair and keeping your own hair safe and growing. Notice this Micro Strand, look, if I hold it around, they're diamond shapes. Now, these micro strands, upon contact of the scalp, disappear. And of course, we're gonna add one human hair at a time onto this to customize it for you, which is gonna become, this is one example, right? We could add any amount of hair, but let's get back to the beauty and value and benefit of the diamond shape. The reason why these are shaped in diamonds, because the way to replicate natural growing hair, and that's what we're doing, we want to add one hair at a time, because think about it, hair goes out of the scalp one hair at a time, and that's not my hair, but it's the Micro Strand, and no matter how close you look, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp, no matter what. When you add one hair at a time, that's the first step to replicating the same way hair goes out of the scalp. The second step, if this is in diamond shapes and you add one hair at a time on this, now the hair is coming out in all different directions. When you study hair growth, the way hair grows out of the human head, you will notice it's one hair at a time, but it's coming out of the scalp in all different directions. So, by taking the Micro Strand invention, which you can't see and it disappears, and by adding one hair at a time onto this with a special instrument that has a microscopic tip hook, the perfect size to only grab one hair, feeding one human hair at a time onto this, and because it's in a diamond shape, the one hair at a time is coming out in all different directions. What does that mean? It means you can mess your hair up and you can move your hair around any way you want. It doesn't matter. It reacts exactly like your own hair, blended in between your own hair. And remember, it's your hair. Your existing hair we're using. We're just blending hair in between. So remember the beauty and value and benefit of a diamond or a diamond shape when it comes to feeding more hair in between